Welcome back to American Agenda. The Bitcoin 2025 conference is underway at the Venetian Hotel in Las Vegas, drawing more than 30,000 attendees and featuring over 400 speakers. Among them, Vice President J.D. Vance and members of the Trump family and many others.
Correspondent John Glasgow, he is live in Vegas with the latest. John, take it away.
Yes, hello from Viva Las Vegas. We've got lots of 30,000 people here that have turned out for this Bitcoin conference. I got Randi here, and she is a Bitcoin educator. A lot of people don't understand this business, but you do.
Absolutely.
What is the difference between these cryptos? Are they worth the same value? How does it work? Just give our viewers a little explainer.
I think it really depends on what you're set out to do in the crypto space. So of course you have something like Bitcoin, which is a currency, but also a store of value. A lot of people compare it to gold, but it's better than gold because it actually has a finite supply of 21 million to ever exist. And then you have other payment options like Litecoin that are faster, liquid, and easier for you to transact with. And then you have things like Ethereum that open the world to things like decentralized finance, a way for you anywhere in the world to get involved in things that maybe you couldn't if you don't have a lot of money like accredited investors do.
What we're seeing right now, and with this all came about during a financial debt here with the government. But this is now something that a lot of people are investing in. Why did this all happen during the financial debt crisis we're in right now?
Well, it happened because people are looking for alternatives to their money. They want something that they could actually own, that they're in control of. And things like Bitcoin allow you to be your own bank. Have something, again, that has a finite supply, that cannot be manipulated by other people. We want to embrace our fundamental rights of life, liberty, and property.
The other thing, too, is, you got a lot of people here. This is a big networking event for a lot of people that are already leaders. They're already inventors. They're investors. But there's a lot of people that just want to get maybe in the industry, get involved in it. Where do they start?
You simply go to a digital exchange. Just like if you went to the airport, you exchange your dollars for, let's say, euros. Both currencies fluctuate, but a lot of people don't pay attention to that like they do with Bitcoin. You go to the exchange, you say, here are my dollars, give me euros. You put it in your physical wallet, you walk away. Transfer that to the digital world. You go to a digital exchange, you say, here are my dollars, give me the equivalent in Bitcoin. You take that Bitcoin, you put it in your digital wallet, and you spend as is, and you're being your own bank.
What? The other thing, too, that we see is a lot of the governments are sort of hostile towards this new cryptocurrency. Why do you think that is?
I think there's a lot of governments that are actually embracing it, especially in the UAE, in Asia. They're very much ahead of the times in terms of tech. And I think what the real people that are fearing crypto is, it's the central banks because, again, crypto, Bitcoin, it's money that they cannot control. And that's what it's all about. Fiat is about control. Bitcoin is about freedom.
What is it that most people, when they come to these type of events, is it a lot of networking? Is it a lot of getting to know what the latest ideas are and sort of where this industry is going? Or why are people here?
For something like Bitcoin conference, this is more networking. This is for people that are already in the industry and they want to hear from other thought leaders in the industry as to where this is all going, John. And I feel as though we do have some other conferences as well that are out there that are more education focused. But this is a lot for networking at Bitcoin conference.
We also have the Vice President's going to be here. He's going to speak tomorrow. That's the big headline event. J.D. Vance is going to be in the house. We also have Eric Trump. Don Jr. is also going to be on the stage today giving a fireside speech. You really have the White House pushing behind this. They say that this is something that they're embracing. Why do you think that is?
Well, even when Donald Trump signed the crypto executive order, what did he say? That crypto's going to make this country a lot of money because he's a businessman. He knows where the money's going. And obviously it's in crypto because it's something that nobody can stop no matter who you are, what you do. Crypto is decentralized. It's unstoppable. So if you're not going to, embrace it, then you're going to be left behind.
It's the way you're going to be left behind. We have David Sachs. He's also going to be speaking as well, the crypto czar with the White House. So he's got some ideas as to where the vision for this is all going. But a crazy event here, lots of people, and it really is informative. It's really interesting. But for now, we'll send it back to you guys in the studio. Krisha, Bob, back to you from Las Vegas.
Thanks, John. Randi, a great primer on crypto. Thank you for joining us.